Morning everyone. Today I will be teaching regarding a subject of Cambridge known as GP or Global Perspective. Its code is 0457. It's a subject of IGCSE. Uh, Let me tell you regarding that GP. Before I go to how to teach and what are the things, let me introduce what is GP, because while teaching in a school I have observed that many of the parents, the student themselves, there is a lot of confusion regarding what is GP. Let me clear that out. Now GP, as I said, is an subject of Cambridge with a code of 0457. Okay, it's a subject of CAIE. Now coming to this, what is GP? Now let me give you a brief history of it. Now this GP has been introduced by the Cambridge board in the year 2016 as a pilot project in India. Later on it became a full-scale subject starting from grade 3 till grade 12. Now this GP has a lot of potential when it comes to the the students prospect in research, the student prospect in teamwork, and the student prospect in doing a methodical study. Now initially there is a confusion, right? It in the books, the Collins and the Cambridge itself, the books are basically without content. It's basically looks like a workbook type. But thing is, there the teachers comes into play. Now they make the content, and they make the content as per the Collins. Now coming to why this GP is so important and why it has been introduced. Now GP is very important because it teaches a child that how to become a problem solver, how to do a teamwork, how to find a solution to the problems, and how to do the research in a more methodical way. Now these things are being taught in many subjects, but altogether these have not been clumped in one single subject. Now here what the GP comes into play. In a GP, a child learns, been given a problem, and from where he or she learns how to find a solution to the problem. Definitely the teachers guide them. Second, how to be a part of a team, how to work in a team and to find a solution. Third, how to do a research in a proper methodical way. Now this is all about we need in a modern education system. Now as the child goes for the higher studies, the more and more this concept of teaching a GP helps him or her. Now as we know, as in the higher studies, maybe it's an MBA or maybe it's a MBBS or maybe it's a PhD. There it's been all given to be a problem solver. They teach you the concept and they ask you to find the problem. Now if a child already has a knowledge in GP, for them it would be easier to excel in those streams. Let me give you an example. Now for a grade 4, how the GP is all about. Let me give a very day-to-day easy example for them. Now what happens in a grade 4, our children are being given a topic of, for example, children's park. Now the topic is given is children's park. Now the teacher gives this topic and tell them to do a research on the children's park and get 2 names of the famous children park in his or her city. That's the task number 1. Next, the teachers tell 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages of a children's park. Now these are all been done in the class. The research has to be done either on a computer lab or at home. Now the third task was been given. The children has to paste the pictures of any 2 famous park in his or her city in their notebooks or on an A4 paper, and they have to write 4 advantages and 4 disadvantages of a children's park. Now, out of these 4, 2 can be the one which the teacher told them in the previous class. They can include, but they have to add 2 more. Similarly, in disadvantage, they can add 2 more from themselves and 2 they can include from the teachers. This is a second task. Third is, apart from writing the disadvantages, they have to find a solution to the disadvantages, how to overcome them. So this is how a topic is been taught in grade 4 in such a manner. It is absolutely as per the Cambridge scheme of work and the study process. As of now, we will end the class here. Now, if you want any online classes or online tuitions on GP from me, then you can contact the number which has been coming in the comment section, on the description section. That's a WhatsApp number. You can connect with me. I'll be happy to help you. And I would if you like this video, then please do subscribe, share, and press the like button so that in the next video you could see a better one. That's all for now. Thank you.